Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another cooking video. And it was raining outside, it was thunderstorming. I don't have a proper covered, or semi-covered I should say, grilling area. So this is how you can cook burgers inside. And it's actually very easy. It's very flavorful. Obviously you don't get the hickory flavor because you're not cooking over hickory or wood or charcoal. But just cut you up an onion. Preferably, I like the Vidalia onions. That's what I got right there. Put you a generous piece of butter. And use a skillet like this. This skillet I have is a griddle skillet. A griddle pan. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the griddle pan like I'm using. I really like it. I do a lot of stuff in this. Put your burgers in. These burgers I had marinated overnight. Yeah, and put it to about a medium heat or maybe a little bit less. Depending upon your stovetop and elevation, that may vary. But these burgers marinated overnight, they look great. It was my goal to grill these burgers. I love to grill burgers on my cast iron grill grates. But the weather didn't permit, so I had to make do. And, it's like, well, do I get out there and try to get struck by lightning and get wet? Or do I just do something different? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more Worcestershire sauce. And, just sprinkle some more on there and just, further enhance the flavor as these puppies cook. I mean, these things, dude, these burgers are thick. I got them from my butcher, really good butcher, Midtown Butcher. Can't beat their meat. Just really good, fresh stuff. You can see here I've been cooking it for a while. The onions are starting to look more cooked. I mean, but what the onions are also doing while these burgers are cooking, they're providing, they're further penetrating that meat with flavor. So you're getting really good oniony flavor. You're getting really good, all these spices, everything from where it marinated. I threw on some extra Worcestershire. Just look at that, man. I mean, if you could only smell this, if you could smell it, you would appreciate how delicious that smells. I mean, just look at that. Cook your burgers however you want to. With really fresh meat like this from a high-end butcher, you could probably eat it. You probably wouldn't have to eat it well done. You get your standard hamburger patties, you're probably going to want to do those well done to be safe. I like well done meat anyway. I'm weird, so I kind of did mine well done. See, I'm continuing to stir. Now you can see those onions are really starting to get that good caramelized look. And then the burgers, they've got that, where I put onions under them while they were cooking. It's kind of, charred some onions to the burgers on the outside. It's awesome. Now here's a really cool finishing move right here. Check this out. Oh, those are buns, man. I took everything out of this griddle, left the butter and all that residue in there, and just threw the buns on there. So they're going to get buttery. Oh, look at that. I forgot to slice my tomato, but I've got mayo chup, some dill pickles, and then I've got those onions that I'm going to toss on top, man. On top of that burger, I'm going to toss those onions that were cooked with the burger. And, ooh, man, it just smells so good. You want to really do a little something cool with it? You can serve this with air-fried French fries, man. Look at that. I fried some French fries in my air fryer. Very cheap, very easy. Check out my separate video, Air Fry with IrixGuy, so you can see how I air fry my French fries. But they're just delicious, man. Great meal, simple. Threw on a slice of cheese. I could have melted it in there, but I forgot. So I just put it on there, and oh man, it was really good. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.